Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our Pattern Library course. So in this particular lesson, we want to clean our web page. Okay, so as we see here, we have a whole lot of the text. Okay, I think it's fetching us everything about the page. Yeah, we actually don't want those. Okay, so what we want is like a clean page. We want to clean the page. We want the actual text that looks appealing to us. So let's try creating a page. Let's import the from pattern dot web. We want to import URL and then plain text. Plain text. Okay, so let's run it. No errors, and then let's get the link. So let's say content. Let me do wiki. Okay, so any variable name. Then let's do the URL. So URL to brackets. I can paste my link inside. Okay, and then I can download it now. So dots, and then we'll do download. Okay, so let's run it and see what we have. Oh, sorry, I need to bring the wiki. Okay, so let's clean the page. So clean page, and let's go page, plain text. So let's use a plain text function, and what we want is the wiki. So wiki, comma, and then wiki dot decode brackets UTF hyphen 8. Let's print it out. So what do we want to print? It's going to be like a print into brackets the clean page. Clean underscore page. Okay, so let's run it and let's see. So you can see it has cleaned the document for us, like very neat. Okay, compared to the one we have here. Okay, so you can see how it has cleaned the page for us. Yeah, everything that we need. So you can try that out with several exercises that you can. Let's see your skills. Okay. Okay, so that said, I'll see you guys in the next lesson, and then thank you for watching. Thank you.